Okay, today I just wanted to share an update on Ram filters. It sounds crazy, but for the last 30,000 miles, I have been trying to figure out a check engine light code. The dealer has seemed to miss it too, the couple times it's been in there for it, but basically the filters are counterfeit. So if you see the part number here, (53034051AB), that is the correct OEM Mopar Ram filter. If we look here, only the filter that ends in AA is supposed to have the glue strips, and it's 3 of them. This one has strips here and no glue. Didn't even catch it when I put it in. I wish I had the other one I took off, because that's what started me down this trail. Was the first one that I took out, same item number, it had 2 glue strips through here. So these filters, I've been buying them off eBay. No issue. I buy my wife's filters on eBay for her Honda. Always get the real stuff. No problem at all. The local dealer wants $100 for one of these. This video is not sponsored by Geno's Garage, but they are the place that had the filters in stock. They were 39 bucks. Great customer service. Talked to them on the phone. You'll see here, this is how they came from Geno's. You'll see the item number here, 53034051AB. So initially, taking it out of the box, this is the old one. I put it in there a week and a half ago versus the new one. This thing weighs twice as much as this, 100%. The pleats, probably can't even see it on the video. The pleats are like 3 times the size. They feel totally different. The rubber gasket is different. And so my understanding what happens with the code P0299 is under load. Maybe the filter is compressing under the load. And that's maybe why the glue strips are there, to try to help not do that. I don't know if the thicker pleats, obviously I am not an engineer, I don't know if the thicker pleats just allow for more airflow, but the code is turbo underboost. So that's what I've been chasing. So for 30,000 miles, check engine light, we tow a lot, rolling into Florida, rolling into Utah, thousands of miles away from home, and to be getting check engine lights, when you hear that ding, my heart drops, my stomach gets, oh man, the truck's gonna break down. We're gonna be stranded out here in the middle of nowhere. And so it took me a while to figure it out, but I'll throw a picture up on the screen from the filters that I have that have this exact number, but it has 2 glue strips. And I didn't think anything of it, because the listings all say genuine OEM. They're coming just like this. And I've never had a real filter, because I've tracked all the filters that I've bought. 2 of them I bought off the same guy. Another one I bought off a seller on eBay that is no longer on there. But I would say I remember pulling it out and it had glue strips, and just in a rush and not even paying attention to what I was doing, been putting in these freaking counterfeit filters. So Ram, I am sorry for saying I was gonna get a new truck. I've just been frustrated. So anyway, just wanted to toss this guy back in here. As soon as I switched out the filter, no problem, check engine lights off. So again, the only place I could find these things in stock, this video, it is, I don't even know what the date is today. It's almost February 2024. Geno's Garage, super nice people to work with. No sponsorship or nothing like that. They just got me the right filters. They got them quick, and they were 1/3 of the price of what my local dealer wanted for the filter, and that was just a part, not even to put it in. So anyway, just wanted to give that quick update, and if this does not fix all my problems, then I will let you know. Thanks a lot.